Welcome to 2 Minutes with TMC. I'm your host, Rachel Patu. With attendance near capacity, this year's Fleet Data Management and Cybersecurity Conference was a rousing success. We spoke with a few happy attendees who shared their experience.
Well, if you want to be connected to what's going on in the industry, this is the place to be. It's not just a place, it's the place to be. I would say that, there's extraordinary opportunities for you to, work with people. Meetings that are going on right now where we're talking about things that are really important to the industry. Cybersecurity is a crisis right now. There are so many examples. This year already, we've heard of multiple cases of, encrypted databases, encrypted file systems, customers unable to access their software, unable to access their systems. People need to be aware of what's going on, and you can't just go by what you read in the journals. You need to be working with the experts. You need to understand the implications of cybersecurity because it can be catastrophic to your business.
Very important for companies like ours to talk to our users, talk to people who aren't using yet, to learn what their needs are so that we can guide the standard. And really, as Jack Poster mentioned, it's always a community effort, and to be part of that community is very important, and these meetings do that. Data is our livelihood, so to go in blindly and not protect ourselves with cybersecurity knowledge and information really puts you at a vulnerable state. It's an ever-changing problem. Changes hourly because the technology changes and the speed of this, and you have to be on top of it. And conferences like this help us do that. There's experts that we can rely on that we refer to in these conferences so that we don't have to know everything, but we have experts to go to bounce ideas off and learn from.
Looking for a unique advertising opportunity? 2 Minutes with TMC has spots available for sponsorship. Contact Robert Braswell for more information. And that's all the time we have for today. Be sure to visit us on the web at tmc.trucking.org. I'm Rachel Patu, and we'll see you next time.